Learning English in 30 days. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. If you are someone who is beginner and wants to learn English fluency, or you are at a job and you don't know basic English, you can't speak with your clients, or if you want to become fluent, you want to speak like a fluent English person, this video is for you. A complete roadmap for English in just 30 days. And if you follow this roadmap, you will be fluent. This is my guarantee. So this roadmap has 4 stages. And I will tell you the logic behind each stage, that why you should follow them. So the 4 stages are listening, speaking, practice, and the last one is a secret, which I will tell you at the end. So let's start. Number 1 is listening. Train your ears. Listening is the most important step. And if you skip this part, it will take years for you to learn English. Or maybe you will never learn, because listening is this much important. I had made a detailed video about it, how you should train your ears, why is it important. You can watch it for better understanding, and this will really help you, I'm sure. And after watching this, you will understand that why I say every time in my every video that why listening is very, very important. But now the question arises, why you should listen? What you should listen? You can listen English films, English series, English songs, English news, anything. Whatever your interests are, you can listen. And you know what is the most important? Also is the most easy part. Because you can listen whenever you want. Whenever, wherever. While cooking, while dancing, while walking, doing anything. You can listen. You can say that's the benefit. And one tip I will give you if you are a beginner. Spend your 60 to 70% time in listening. Mind my words, you will thank me later. Now comes the number 2. Speaking. Speaking is also very, very important. You can listen, and you will build a foundation of English in your brain. And eventually you will start thinking in English. But tell me honestly, until you will speak, our main goal is not satisfied. Because our main goal is to speak with others, right? So we have to start speaking. So speaking is very important and also is the toughest one because it needs courage for you to actually speak, to actually open your mouth. It needs courage. Not many people can do it. But if you want to become fluent, you have to do it. And this will also build your confidence. Trust me. And also, I will give you a tip here also that open your camera and speak. Because when you speak in front of the camera, you will build another type of confidence. So whenever you will meet someone for the first time and try to speak in English, you won't feel nervous because you have already practiced opening the camera. Trust me, it will really, really help you. You can try. And do it daily. Like daily. And number 3 is practice. Doing listening and speaking for one day will not make you fluent. You have to do it daily. You have to be consistent because consistency is the key. And trust me, if you are doing it daily, you will be fluent. If you don't have much time, do less practice, but do it daily. Trust me, and this will change your English speaking journey. And the number 4, the secret one is expression. Yes, the way you are speaking, the way your eyes, your mouth are rolling, your body posture matters a lot. Because this makes you look confident. Follow this when you are talking with others, when you are speaking in front of the camera. because this will make you look confident. And trust me, if you are doing any kind of mistakes while speaking, they won't be able to catch it. Imagine you are watching a celebrity. They look so confident, their body posture. And if they are doing any mistake, you can't easily catch it because they are looking confident. So, expression, body posture matters a lot. When you are in a speech or when you are speaking with others, you are in a conference, anywhere, it really, really matters. So, fix your body posture and expression. This will change your game. So these are the 4 steps you have to follow for the next 30 days if you want to become fluent. And trust me, it's my guarantee. If you follow these 4 things, you will be fluent. It's my guarantee. So if you are ready to start this challenge for 30 days, comment ready. And like my video and subscribe to my channel for this good informative videos. And we will meet you in the next video. Ta-da!